Easy veggie fried rice with egg omelette, affordable homemade recipe for beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we've got a fantastic and easy recipe for you, homemade veggie fried rice with a delicious twist of egg omelette. It's not only affordable but also perfect for beginners. So, let's dive right in. Let's start with the ingredients. For this budget-friendly recipe, you'll need 2 cups of cooked rice, preferably day-old. 1 cup mixed vegetables, carrots, peas, corn, and diced bell peppers work well. 2 eggs. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon sesame oil, optional. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon ginger, grated. Salt and pepper to taste. Green onions for garnish, optional. Now that we've got our ingredients, let's get cooking. Step 1, preparing rice. Start by heating a pan on medium-high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and sauté the minced garlic and grated ginger until fragrant. Step 2, stir-frying vegetables. Next, toss in the mixed vegetables. Stir-fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes until they're tender but still have a nice crunch. Step 3, adding rice. Once the veggies are done, add in the cooked rice. If you have day-old rice, it works even better as it's slightly drier. Stir everything together. Step 4, seasoning. Now, let's add the flavor. Pour in the soy sauce and sesame oil. Mix well until the rice is evenly coated. Season with salt and pepper according to your taste. Step 5, egg omelette. Push the fried rice to one side of the pan, creating space for our egg omelette. Crack the eggs into the pan and scramble them. Once they start to set, combine them with the fried rice. Step 6, finishing touch. Continue cooking for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. Garnish with chopped green onions if you like. And there you have it, homemade veggie fried rice with a tasty egg omelette. It's a quick, affordable, and delicious meal that's perfect for beginners. Here are some key benefits of veggie fried rice with a tasty egg omelette. Nutrient-rich ingredients. The vegetables in the fried rice contribute essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Eggs are a good source of protein, providing the body with amino acids necessary for muscle repair and overall health. Balanced meal. Combining rice, vegetables, and eggs creates a balanced meal that includes carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. The variety of nutrients helps maintain energy levels and keeps you feeling satisfied for an extended period. Affordable and budget-friendly. The recipe is cost-effective, using commonly available and affordable ingredients, making it suitable for individuals on a budget. Quick and easy preparation. Veggie fried rice with egg omelette is a time-efficient recipe, perfect for busy individuals or those new to cooking. The straightforward preparation process allows for a quick and tasty homemade meal. Customizable. The recipe is highly adaptable, allowing you to use a variety of vegetables based on personal preference or what's available. You can also adjust the seasoning and spice levels to suit your taste. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Give it a try, and let us know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more easy and tasty recipes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much veggie fried rice with a tasty egg omelette lovers.